Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring a fascinating question. Why does Germany store billions of euros worth of its national gold reserves in the United States? And why is there recently a discussion about bringing more of it back home? It's a story woven from history, trust, and global finance. It also reminds us of gold's enduring nature and the ways nations safeguard their gold is serious business. Let's start with the scale. Germany holds the world's second largest gold reserves, roughly 3,350 tons, second only to the US. Now, following World War II, Germany steadily rebuilt these reserves during its impressive economic recovery, a process helped by the Bretton Woods monetary system at the time. Reflecting Cold War realities, much of this gold was strategically stored abroad, mainly in New York, London, and Paris, for safety and accessibility, signifying the trust placed in Western allies, especially the US. Recent reports cited in an article from German and UK newspapers indicate some senior German political figures are revisiting this arrangement, citing concerns possibly related to US policies and a desire for more direct national oversight. Germany has already acted on this front. The Bundesbank, its central bank, previously bought back 300 tons from New York and 374 tons from Paris, part of a plan to hold at least half its gold domestically from 2020 onward. Now, despite this, a significant amount remains overseas. Around 1,200 tons, valued at over 100 billion euro, are still vaulted at the New York Federal Reserve, with another 430 tons in London. Some German officials like MEP Markus Ferber now argue for rights to inspect the gold held in the U.S., while others like Michael Jager of the Taxpayers Association of Europe advocate for bringing all German gold back to Europe promptly. Watching how nations manage these immense tangible assets really makes you think, doesn't it? It highlights the unique considerations around physical holdings. If this sparks your interest in learning more about physical precious metals for your own future planning, well, Goldco provides an excellent resource. Now, it's important to consider the context. The New York Fed is the world's largest gold custodian, holding roughly 6,300 tons for over 30 central banks, including those of Italy and Switzerland. It's a major global hub for national reserves. Furthermore, Germany's own central bank leadership expresses confidence. Bundesbank President Joachim Nagel stated earlier this year that the New York Fed is unequivocally a trustworthy, reliable partner for storing Germany's gold. This indicates continued official trust in the current setup. So the situation involves historical arrangements meeting modern concerns. We see past reparation efforts, ongoing debate about oversight and location, balanced by official statements of confidence. Ultimately, this situation underlines the profound importance nations attach to physical gold. Germany's historical drive to accumulate gold speaks to its perceived value as a core, tangible asset, held for national stability and control, especially considering the country's 20th century experiences. The careful management of these reserves highlights the unique role that gold plays in long-term national financial strategy. Observing these national strategies can certainly prompt reflection on the role tangible assets might play in one's own financial picture. If you'd like reliable information about physical gold and silver, well, Goldco can assist. You can request Goldco's free gold and silver kit, available in multiple convenient formats. And when you do, be sure to see how you could qualify for up to a 10% instant match in bonus silver and a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. That Reagan coin is quite unique, and especially for those who remember his era. Remember, these offers and the bonus silver and coin are for qualifying individuals and subject to availability. The easiest way to learn more is by clicking the link right below this video description. Get the free educational kit and check your potential qualifications. That's the essence of the Germany gold story as it stands. It reflects how global dynamics shift and how nations continually assess the management of their most fundamental assets. So what are your thoughts? Is holding gold domestically more prudent today? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, thank you for watching. If you found this informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more discussions just like this. And don't forget that Goldco information link is in the description. Until next time, take care.